Good morning, my dear kids. First of all, congratulations to all of you. Do you know why I congratulate you? Don't know? Don't worry, I will tell you. I congratulate you because you all got promoted to the next class. And now your online classes have started. I know you are so excited for the result. But don't worry, as I told you that you all got promoted, so now we have to start reading. I know you are so excited for school opening, but due to COVID-19, your school has not opened. That's why again you have to start studying online classes. So we will start our class. Let me tell you one thing, I'm so happy because you did a fantastic job in this pandemic situation. All have taken the online classes, then you gave the exam and you did a great job. And I know you will cooperate for the next section again. So now we will start our class. Before moving ahead, let me introduce myself. Some of you know me, but some doesn't. So, I am Shweta Badhel, your English teacher. Now we can start the class. But first I will show you your book.
So my dear students, it's your English book. As you can see, this is your English book and we will start studying from chapter 1st. Open your book. Here you have to write your name, your class, section, then your roll number and your school name. And now we will open the book and start reading from chapter 1st. The name of the chapter is The Selfish Giant. Now tell me one thing, what do you understand by the word of selfish? Tell me. Selfish means a person who only thinks about himself, not for others, is called a selfish person. And the second word is giant. Giant means a very large and strong person who is often cruel and silly. Means एक बहुत बड़ा और strong person जो बहुत cruel है, निर्दयी है और silly है. So the story is related to selfish giant. So we will start reading. Before start reading, so as you can see on your screen, the first word is blooms. Repeat after me. B-L-O-O-M-S. Blooms means becomes happy or fresh. Its Hindi means is khilna. Then the second word is castle. C-A-S-T-L-E, castle. Castle means a large, strong building with thick, high walls and towers. Here, T is silent, so we pronounce it like castle. Its Hindi mean is killa. Then the third word is creeping. C-R-E-E-P-I-N-G, creeping. Creeping means moving gradually and not easily noticed. A thing when not noticed by people. Its Hindi means dheere dheere, means slowly slowly. Then the fourth word, laughter. L-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, laughter. Laughter means act or sound of laughing. Its Hindi means hasi. Then the fifth word, selfish. As I told you about selfish, the spelling of selfish is S-E-L-F-I-S-H and its Hindi means swarthi. Then the next word, giant. I have told you the meaning of giant and its spelling is G-I-A-N-T, means an extremely large and strong person. Then the last word, spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring means the season between winter and summer when plants begin to grow. Its Hindi mean Basant. So these are some words which we have to write in our notebook and we have to read them properly. Now we can start reading the chapter. The giant's castle has a huge garden. As I told you about castle. So the giant's castle, जो giant का castle था उसमें एक बहुत अच्छा beautiful garden था जो बहुत बड़ा था. It has many flowers. As we can see in the picture, the garden has many flowers. Every afternoon, the children of the village play in the garden. So here are some children, they were play in the garden. A boy said, "What fun we have in this garden." Then the another boy said, "But what happens when the giant comes back?" तो एक लड़का कहता है हम इस गार्डन में बहुत मजे करते हैं. Then another boy said, पर क्या हो अगर वो जाइंट वापस आ जाए. Then a girl said, "Well, the giant has gone to visit his friends." वो जाइंट अपने फ्रेंड्स से मिलने गया है. And it has been many years. और उसको गए हुए बहुत साल हो गए. Let us hope he never comes back. And then let us hope he never comes back because they want that the giant never should come back. One day the giant comes back. And now what happens? एक दिन giant वापस आ गया. He sees the children playing in the garden. He is very angry. When the giant sees the children playing in his garden, so then he got angry. And he said, "What are you doing here? This is my garden. I will not allow you all to play here." And the giant got angry and he said, तुम मेरे गार्डन में क्या कर रहे हो? ये मेरा गार्डन है और मैं तुम्हें यहाँ खेलने के लिए अलाउ नहीं करता. So he builds a high wall around the garden and puts a notice at the gate. तो उसने अपने जो उसका जो कैसल था, गार्डन था, उस सबके चारों ओर एक बहुत बड़ी वॉल बिल्ड करा दी और उस पर एक नोटिस लगा दिया. You see, he is a selfish giant. So the giant is so selfish because he only thinks about himself, not for the children. Then the children have nowhere to play now. How happy we were there. Children are so sad because they cannot play in the giant's garden where they have lots of fun. Then spring comes. I have told you about spring. It's a season. The whole country blooms with the flowers except for the giant's garden. Here we can see here's flowers blooming, but in the giant's garden there is no flower. Spring does not visit his garden. Spring उसके garden में नहीं आई. I cannot understand why spring is so late in my garden. The giant is thinking why spring is so late in my garden. So now tell me, why do you think spring has not visited the giant's garden? आपको क्या लगता है स्प्रिंग जाइंट्स के गार्डन में क्यों नहीं आई थी? Because he is so selfish. That's why the spring not visit his garden. The only people who live in his garden are frost and snow. Spring has forgotten this garden. We can live here all the year round. The giant is sad. He waits for the spring, but spring does not come. One day he hears lovely music from the garden. जाइंट बहुत सैड था क्योंकि स्प्रिंग उसके गार्डन में नहीं आ रही थी. One day he hears lovely music from the garden. एक दिन उसे एक बहुत अच्छा म्यूजिक सुनाई दिया अपने गार्डन से. He comes out of his castle and sees a little bird on a tree singing a beautiful song. वो अपने कैसल से बाहर आया और उसने एक लिटिल बर्ड को देखा जो ट्री पर बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग गा रही थी. Oh, what lovely music! I think spring has come at last. Then giant say, ये बहुत लवली म्यूजिक है, अब मुझे लग रहा है स्प्रिंग मेरे गार्डन में आ गई है. He peeps out the window and sees a lovely sight. उसने अपनी विंडो से झांका और बहुत ही सुंदर नजारा देखा. He sees some children creeping in through little hole in the wall. उसने देखा कुछ बच्चे धीरे धीरे वॉल के खोल से अंदर आ रहे हैं. He sees them playing under a tree. उसने देखा वो एक ट्री के नीचे खेल रहे हैं. The tree is so glad to have the children back again. ट्री बहुत ग्लैड था क्योंकि उसके पास चिल्ड्रन वापस आ गए थे. That he covers itself with flowers. और फिर उसने अपने आप को फ्लावर्स से कवर किया. Then giant thinks I should punished for what I do. The giant's heart melts with tears in his eyes. He thinks about it. Then giant starts crying. So he breaks the wall around his garden. Then he breaks the wall which he built around his garden. He allows the children in his garden. उसने उन चिल्ड्रंस को अपने गार्डन में आने को परमिशन दे दी. Soon his garden is filled with the laughter of children. Now the giant often joins the children in their games. Sometimes giant plays with the children and have lots of fun. कभी कभी जाइंट उनके साथ साथ खेलता और बहुत मजे किया करता था. Years go by, the giant grow old and feeble. साल निकलते गए और जाइंट अब ओल्ड हो गया. He can no longer play with the children, but he sits and watches the children play. अब क्योंकि जाइंट ओल्ड हो चुका था, वो अब बच्चों के साथ नहीं खेल पाता था, पर वो बच्चों के साथ बैठता था और उनके गेम को देखता था. Believe me, spring now never forgets to visit the giant's garden. And now the spring which does not come in giant's garden, now the spring never forgets it. Means जो स्प्रिंग पहले जाइंट के गार्डन में नहीं आया करती थी, अब कभी उसके गार्डन में आना नहीं भूला करती थी. As we can see, the giant and the children are so happy. So we should share our things. Sharing is caring, and sharing make feel us happy and more proud. So we should share our things. The story is happiness lies in sharing and caring. Sharing is caring. We should share our things. We should care for others. So the chapter is finished. We have read the chapter and it's like a comic book. It was interesting story. We feel like we read the comic book. Now open page number 13. Here are some exercise which we have to do. Multiple choice questions. Check right the correct answer in each. Here are some questions and these questions have some options and we have to put right mark on the question which is right. So the first question, whom does the giant go to visit? We have read the story. Options are option A parents, option B teachers and option C friends. Let me make it more clear for you. Giant किसके यहाँ गया था, किससे मिलने के लिए गया था कुछ सालों में? Parents, teacher, friends. Yes my dear kids. Giant ने फ्रेंड से मिलने गया था. So the answer is option C. Then the second question, for whom does the giant wait eagerly? Giant किसके लिए वेट कर रहा था? Spring, winter, frost. So what we have read? Yeah, spring. So the answer is option A. Then the third question. Who is singing the beautiful song? Bird, children, and wind. So who was singing the song? Yes, the bird is singing the song. So the answer is option A. And now here are some questions. So the first question, what does the notice on the gate say? गेट पर क्या नोटिस लगाया था जाइंट ने? We have read in the story, trespassers will be prosecuted, means अगर कोई अंदर आया तो उस पर कार्रवाई की जाएगी. Then the second question, who lives in the giant's garden when spring visit the whole country? तो ये भी हमने चैप्टर में पढ़ा. Wait, I will show you. The only people who live in his garden are frost and snow. Now the next question, which sentence tells you that the giant has a soft heart? I have read the chapter, so tell me the answer. Which sentence told you that? The sentence, how selfish I have been, tells us that the giant has a soft heart. Then the second question, why do you think spring forgets to visit the giant's garden? So what do you think? Why spring forgot it? Because the giant is very selfish and does not allow the children to play in his garden. And now the third question. Pick words from the box to describe the giant. Here are some words which describe the giant. We have to write it before and after. That means the giant's behavior before and after. So, giant is angry before, cruel and selfish, and after he is generous, kind and happy. Then the last question, why was the selfish giant happy in the end? लास्ट में स्टोरी के एंड में जाइंट हैप्पी क्यों था? The selfish giant was happy in the end because spring never forgot to visit his garden and the garden was filled with the laughter of children. That's why he is happy. We have seen that how selfish the giant was at the starting, and at the end of the story he is become so kind. So here the chapter is finished. In the next video we will do grammar part, which is simple present tense. Till then revise the chapter and I will send you question answers on your WhatsApp, which you have to write in your notebook. Only question answers and word meaning you have to write in your notebook. No need to write multiple choice questions in your book, in your notebook. Only fill it in your workbook. The question answers I will send you on your WhatsApp. Only those question answers you have to write in your notebook. No need to write every question. Then in the next video we will do grammar. So then wait for the next video, revise the chapter and stay happy and stay safe.